In this video, I want to talk about the first year units of nursing school, the units that you learn in the first semester of nursing school. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Lazak Awino Mireri, a student nurse at Gatundu KMTC, and in this video I'm going to tell you the units that you should expect to learn about in your first semester of nursing school. The first unit is Anatomy and Physiology. In this unit you get to learn about the body organs and structures and how they function, the normal functioning of those body organs. This is a very important unit and it is the basic, from the brain to the kidney, all body organs. This is what you learn about. And the moment you don't understand this unit, it will be hard for you understanding everything else, because that is where everything begins from. Then the second unit is Maternal and Newborn Health. Just as the name suggests, it is about the newborns and mothers who are giving birth or who are pregnant. So you learn about the normal physiology that happens, the anatomy of a baby, the things like the fetal skull, the anatomy of a mother, is a placenta, and everything else. The third unit that is also related to maternal and newborn health is Reproductive Health and Midwifery. So hapa you learn about still reproductive organs now of the males and the females, and you learn about how to be a midwife and what it takes to be a midwife. The fourth unit that you study is Psychology and Sociology. In this unit you learn about human behavior, how society operates, and this is helpful for you to get to know how people do things. You get to understand how people do things because as a nurse, you're dealing with people every day and you'll be dealing with the society. This is where you get to learn about the psychologists of the past, like Sigmund Freud and Pavlov. Like, you remember the experiment of the bell and the dog and the food.
What?
This is one of the things you get to learn in psychology and sociology, so that you'll be able to understand how human beings operate, and you'll be able to understand how to deal with people and human beings. The fifth unit that you get to learn is Fundamentals of Nursing. In this unit, you learn how to perform different procedures that happen in taking care of a patient. For example, drug administration. This is one of the major things that nurses do, and also the minor procedures that nurses do. Feeding through a nasogastric tube. That means a tube which enters the stomach through the nose so that you can feed a patient, and maybe things like wound dressing and all the other activities of a nurse. Unit number 6 that you learn about is Microbiology and Immunology. In microbiology, you learn about the viruses, the bacteria, and all the microorganisms that cause infection. And in immunology, you'll get to learn how the immune system works through antibodies and how they work to prevent disease and fight any infection that invades the body. Unit number 7 that you'll also learn about is Community Health Nursing. So this is one of the easiest units in first semester.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Because it's about the community and how hospitals are organized, things like home visits, things like how to conduct a home visit. It's dealing with the community. Things like government policy or WHO and UN policies concerning the community and the health of the community. The last unit that you'll also learn about is communication skills and applied communication. In this unit, you get to learn how to communicate effectively as a nurse, and this unit is usually common in every other field of study because communication is an important and integral part of the society, because you should be able to communicate effectively to your patients, to your workmates, and everybody else. So thank you for watching. Those are the units you expect to learn in your first year of nursing. These things are not difficult. If you study, you will just pass without any issue. But if you are a joker, you want to miss class, you want to party all day, all night, you don't want to study, you want to miss classes, of course you'll fail. But if you prepare well for the exams, all these things are very easy and they'll not be difficult for you. You'll find yourself passing all of the exams. So in your first year, that is what you should expect.